Baby Chepajecha, they'll never use us. Go to uptown, Murima abusers. You think it's faithful up a mood.
Anzi, uptown abusers.
Uptown, Murima abusers. You think it's faithful up a moody wanna do that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Anzi, thank you. To get to the faithful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. I was actually thinking about this, guys. Comment down below if you want me to do a gold digger prank.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. It's not mine.
Hey, I want to see some. No, it's not.
Anzi, it's okay as long as TeryKusH.
Good vibe, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
KC.
Alright, so guys, today, like I promised in the last video, today we're bringing nothing but Zim talents,
look artists.
Exactly what he said. So today we're gonna be reacting to Do Major
Changu Chepajecha.
Changu Chepajecha featuring oh my days, featuring R.Peels and the Juic3. Please guys, please like, share and subscribe. Guys, please share to at least 5 of your friends. If you like the video, please share to 5 of your friends. Please, just
even
5.
like your whole family.
Yeah, just 5 guys, just 5. That's all I'm asking for. And yeah, please also go subscribe to his channel. I'll put the link in the description.
Imoles.kx, that's my channel.
Exactly, and I'll put the original video down below. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes, sir. Are we ready?
Yes, you're ready.
Are you ready?
Ready, bro.
Are you ready? Alright, let's get straight to it.
Let go.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. Tinyanso is a quality.
Guys.
Data. What's happening to the data?
Where my ghetto girls at? Do that Changu Chepajecha, can't skiddy the bajecha. Do that Changu Chepajecha, can't skiddy the.
Guys, do that Changu Chepajecha.
So I don't know about Chepajecha.
Do that Changu Chepajecha. Where my ghetto girls at? Do that Changu Chepajecha, can't skiddy the bajecha. Do that Changu Chepajecha. Can't skiddy the bajecha. Do that Changu Chepajecha, can't skiddy the bajecha.
Hey. I think the juice guy.
Yeah.
That's the juice. That brings a unique sound to it.
Yes.
A unique sound to it. Muti chiga bamda. Oda Chepajecha. Oda Chepajecha. Crazy. Yeah. Woo. Yeah.
Saga baby the Buddha, can I just send the Uber? Saga baby the Buddha, can I just send the Uber?
That's the guys. Quick fast. Quick fast, yeah.
Quick fast,
It's a fast game. It's a fast game. Your time in real quick. It's a fast game. Okay. Okay.
You see, nigga. You see, nigga.
You see me? You see me?
You seen it?
Yes.
It's beggars with choosers. One way you wouldn't choose us. My baby, they budget. They'll never use us.
They will never use us.
Beggars are choosers. You never choose us.
Who's in my bars?
Carry deep.
Anzi, uptown. Abusers. Degeneracies. But yeah, but I think so. Yeah, bars.
Chepajecha.
So what's that?
Guys, the truth hurts, but it's the truth. Are they ready for that conversation?
I don't know.
Are you guys ready for that?
I think they are not
Because
ready.
guys, wait.
I don't
Did
think
you
they are not
hear
ready.
what he said?
It's beggars with choosers. One way you wouldn't choose us. My baby, they budget. They'll never use us.
My people magician, they will never use us.
But the uptown, Murima abusers.
Right.
My people
Uptown,
That's
Murima.
a good one.
Abusers. Using us like what the fuck? What the fuck?
That's too deep, guys. That's too deep.
I want you Chepajecha. At least I
no question. I want Nando's.
yes.
I will get all the southern beans.
The beans.
I was at that.
Tenge tiri faithful apa muri wana Judas. I remember uptown, Murima abusers. Tenge tiri faithful apa muri wana Judas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. To get to the faithful, but
Thank you.
Judas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mukaramari shit.
Thank you.
What the fuck, eh?
Gold tickers, man. Gold tickers. Right. Hey.
I know some.
You know, G?
I know some of them, but
My way.
I won't say that.
Right, guys, please comment down below. I was actually thinking about this, guys. Comment down below if you want me to do a gold digger prank.
yes, sir.
I'm gonna definitely do that, guys. Because
I can't wait that day.
we need to expose some people.
Yes,
out
sir.
here.
Yes.
Because it's a fast game. These streets
Fast
ain't
game.
safe. She belongs to the streets.
She belongs to the streets.
To the streets. To the streets.
For example, you know it's straight in town. Maybe.
I remember Christabel. I does a chop. Nabatiza Mariangu yabu kusongoni.
Take it to December Easter.
Yes. Did you hear the rhymes? The rhymes. Come on.
Kaka zongo nditi meja. Why did we stop? I never kissed you. All we did was stop. Daga binga, pana olinga. Taipisa pa Facebook, never Insta. Kaka zongo nditi meja. Urichita, nikaona kuti apa ndakonyimwa visa. Asking girl, face amara. Relationship.
Wait. That's deep, man. That's tough. That's tough.
Please,
oh
please.
my days. Major. Come on. Usati kwanza. Uruti kwanza.
Taipisa pa Facebook, never Insta. Kaka zongo nditi meja. Urichita, nikaona kuti apa ndakonyimwa visa. Brown skin girl, face amara. Relationship yoyo yanga omarara. That's it.
Brown skin girl, face ya Amara. Eh?
Abadi.
Apa yaka Marara.
Ogona baby ne face amara. Nongwapinda.
Ndapinda.
Cause hey.
I'll be something, bro.
Brown skin girl, face amara. Relationship yoyo yanga omarara. Nasvika pa den, zvanzi apa na mudhara. Inga very friendly, I even call him Andy. Katemika ngakarika mupeta. Takamanya 1 month kakuti chiweta. Ikango
chokwadi chiri taura pakapa.
Fesu yanga
Aiwa. Adzakabaya nechiketa. First month angauti tiweda. Guys, I know some of you have been in that situation, guys.
Yeah, I know.
Don't even cap. I know some of you have been in that situation.
Even like less than a month.
Guys, yo, my week.
Weda inenge iri meta cause how respond my message and senda. Just akanda kutongoda vepajecha pafe. Anouya paten vatikata for my face. Takanditi date. Can you do my hair? Dikatantina mari kanongoti okay.
It's okay.
But wait. I know.
Mabebe kujecha.
I know mabebe kujecha, but asi ese manje.
Kuni wamwe?
Asi ese.
Kuni wamwe anongwatoda.
Kuni ma blazer.
Bacha pani wangu waruta. It's okay. Kana sina mai.
Hey, wanonzisisa kuno singatonzisisa.
Anzi, it's okay as long as Tiri tu chete. Tiri tu chete. Guys, I'm
this is too much.
Come on.
This is too much.
Shout out to Major and
shout out.
R.Peels asarapinda futi. Come on.
Wacha tutora futi ziliwezi futi.
Directed by Mitch Uta. Come on. Shout out to this boy, man.
Shout out.
But guys, come on. That was a banger.
What? Right, fine.
I got hoes calling.
What if we need to
As the budget,
you have to
the baptist or good needs. Or that Judas.
Judas Iscariot.
Guys, come on. But shout out to these guys.
Yeah,
Don't Major, R.Peels, the juice, guys, the juice element kapins akamsaka jairire.
Okay.
Ndoda kangu kepachecha. That was a finishing touch, guys. But guys, first let's see him take jairire, guys.
This is too much.
Guys, Zim talent. Comment down below if you got other songs that we need to listen to, that we need to react to.
Yeah, for real.
Like I said before, Zim talent this week, all week. And we're dropping nothing but bangers. So
Bangers
I hope you
bangers.
like these videos. I hope you're sharing with a friend. Please share with your friends.
5 people.
Just 5.
5, please, guys.
You can't tell me you missed 5 people. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
A, B, C, D, E.
Just 5. Just 5, guys. Just 5. That's all it takes. So yeah, I think that's the end of the reaction.
Yeah.
I hope you guys liked it. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
KC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hey, Sash, look, good vibe, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. 2 sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah.